Okay, so this is where I'm at. Even if I cross these over, so I'll put them together. Car's on. I'll put the indicator on. And nothing. Same for the other direction. Still nothing. So I'm at a loss. I've ordered a new flasher unit anyway, but I'm assuming that's how I should get it to flash. Any thoughts would be welcome. I'm assuming I don't need to have the panel on, but I'll just turn the panel on anyway. Still nothing. And I'll turn headlights on. Still nothing. Lights are on, but no indicators. So I'm at a bit of a loss. Doesn't work in either direction. Okay, something weird. The moment I put the indicator on, the fuel gauge goes down to 0. Well, it did when I turned, there we go. So I'm not sure what that is. Does that indicate some sort of short going on in the wiring somewhere? Because fuel gauge is on. Let me try the right indicator. No. As soon as I put that right indicator on, it drops off the fuel gauge. Something that doesn't seem to like that. Left, yep, it's dropped off. So, any guesses what that means? Is there a short somewhere? I put it all back together. It's all under there now. And I put the bolt back onto the main thing. And the wires back where they came from, and I filmed it so I made sure I got them all back where they belong, in the correct order. So yeah, it was a bit of a loss. The wire obviously comes around and then comes back up into there. Nothing looks amiss, it all looks fine. Unless there's something there I'm missing. They all seem to have insulator on them, even though I can see some colours in there. They all seem to be fine. So yeah, not quite sure what's going on. I'm at a loss. Okay, so I've checked all the globes, but then this one was a bit funny. It was kind of like in there with this yellowy browny kind of powder, and it looks like it's melted in there, or a spider has created a web in there. There's a bit of white fluff, so I'm hoping that the globe is what's causing the issue. Okay, some progress. I've actually just ran a wire over one of the fuses, and now right indicator works if I put a wire jumping across the fuse. So that's interesting. But I think there's some sort of load when I go left. It still does the fuel drop. Oh, it does one click and then it stops, like there's some load or short. It's trying, just doesn't want to go. Yeah, so I'm not sure what that is, but we're getting somewhere now. So thanks, Tony. finally got this off, and I think this is why. This looks disgusting. I think that is shorting or something, because this is the only one that doesn't work, even with the fresh globe.
Remember to like and subscribe if you want to learn more about this car. Toodaloo.